Hi everyone, in the previous sessions we have gone through about the introduction of Python data structures, list and tuple methods. In the today's session we are going to discuss about a dictionary and its methods. So here a dictionary is a Python built-in data structure where we have two things. One is key and the other is value. So these are the key and value are separated by a colon. As you can see here, they are separated by the colon. So the left hand side we will say it as a key and the right hand side value we will say it as value. So these are basically enclosed with the curly brackets and are separated by the comma. So in Python, we have multiple methods of dictionaries like clear, copy, get, items from key, pop item, values, pop, update and keys. In the today's session, we are going to learn few of the methods of Python dictionaries such as values, pop, clear and get method in Python. So let's get started. So first when we are discussing about values, so as I have said we have key and value pair. So in this case I want to access only the values, nothing but here I have Python and 10 as a value. So I want to access only those two values from the dictionary. At that time we will use value in Python. When coming to the pop method, whenever we want to remove an specific element from the dictionary, at that time we will use pop method in Python. So for better understanding, we will have a practical view on it so that you will better understand the methods. Okay, coming to the dictionary methods in Python, just first create a sample dictionary. So first for a dictionary we have said we have key and the value and they are separated by commas, separated by comma of each pair. So let's see a sample dictionary. So dict1 equal to curly brackets open name Python and session as a 10th or 10th session. So here the name and the session are keys and Python and 10 are the values that are present in the dictionary. So first I want to access only the keys. So in order to access only the keys from the dictionary, we will use keys method in Python. So for that I'll print the keys that are present in the dict1 are, so for that I'll use dict1 dot keys. So this basically returns the keys that are present in the dictionary. So here the keys are name and session, so those two values are returned in a list. For suppose if I want only the values, not the keys, from the dictionary, from the dict1, then we will use a method called values. So for that, the values that are present in the dict1 are, so dict1 dot values. So this will return the values that are present in the dictionary. So here the values are Python and 10, and the keys that are present in the dictionary are name and session. So for suppose if I want to update the value, in the dictionary of the session, then we will do like this: dict1 dot update of curly brackets open session colon, I'll change it to 12, and I'll give something other keys like learning, for the sake of data science. So if I print this dictionary, print the updated dictionary, so it should return me the updated dictionary. So just run it, and it is showing me the updated dictionary where my session is basically first 10. Here it is now changed to 12, and I added another value, another key and value pair, that is learning and data science, that is added at the end of the dictionary. So if I want to remove the element from the dictionary, then we will use pop method in Python. So for example, if I write print dict1 dot pop method, and run it, it is expected to have at least one argument where I want to remove the learning from the dictionary, and again rerun it. So it removes the element. So let's print whether it is completely removed from the dictionary or not. Check the dictionary again. So here it is already removed, so it is showing me the error. So I'll change it as session. So session is removed, only just I have a name and a Python. So if I want to get some value, if I want to access value from the dictionary, then we will use get method in Python. So if I say just print accessing the value of the name in the dict1, so I'll write dict1 dot get of name. So if I run it, it gives me the value as Python. Here the syntax is, first we will give the dict name, nothing but the dictionary name dot get. Here we will give the key as a reference to access the value in Python. So whenever we want to remove an element, we will give the dictionary name dot pop, and we will also mention the key name that we want to remove from the dictionary. When we want to update some value in the dictionary, we will use the update method. At that time, we will use the key name and the updated value. And here additionally we can also add a new key and value pair too. So we can also add new key and value pair into the dictionary. So if we want to only access the values from the dictionary, then we will use the dot values method, or else if we want to access only the key values from the dictionary, then we will use only dot keys method in Python. This is the few of the methods in the dictionary. And coming back to our presentation, so we have seen the practical view on values, pop, and also about the get method. And the clear method is basically when we want to remove all the elements from the dictionary. At that time we will use clear method in Python. So other methods will be learned in the upcoming sessions in the better, more detailed. So that's it about the today's session. Thank you and have a nice day. This is Gayatri signing off.